So now I'm going to talk about the matrix operation using the delegates and the events. There is a class matrix operation with the four different operations like add, subtract, mul, and the transpose. Then these four functions are being called by the delegates. Then first it will refer to the delegate declaration, where there is a matrix operation as a name with the keyword delegate and the list of parameters, where the first represents the row, second represents the column, and the first two represents the matrix 1 and matrix 2. Then there is a matrix transport with the delegate keyword, and this is little different as it consists of only one matrix. Then this delegate string matrix display is used for the display purpose of the string. Then after the delegate declaration, it is called for simple delegate, where the matrix transpose is a name and the empty is an instance, where matrix operation is a class, and this transpose is called from this matrix transpose. Then after the simple delegate, it calls for the array of the delegate, where the matrix operation consists of the index of the array. Then matrix mat is an object. Then it consists of two functions like sub and the mul. If the sub and the mul have to be called separately, then the index of the array has to be specified. Then there is a multicast delegate, where all these delegates are appended together as one. After the multicast delegate, there is an anonymous method to display matrix, which it is discussed later. Then these are called as the calling functions, where the MOP represents the object which is declared in the multicast delegate, and NPAB represents the row, column, A and B represents matrix 1 and matrix 2. Then this MAG refers to the array of the delegate, where NMAP is the row, column, matrix 1 and matrix 2 being specified to multiply. The transpose is little different as it consists of only one matrix. Then after this, the anonymous method has been used, where the matrix display is the name and the display is an object, where intake, this is an anonymous method with a list of the parameters followed by the lambda. There is a string matrix where the string has been to be given. When the display is being called, the entire is being displayed, and finally we are returning the S. Then the event method is being called, where there is an event declaration in the class program which has an event input complete event handler. Then there is a void input complete which specifies the event handler. When the inputs have been given, then it displays a message called input was completed. However, after the event handler, there is event trigger which is completed using the input complete. Then there is an event instance which specifies the event name, delegate name, method name. The event name refers to p.input completed, the delegate name as new input complete event handler, and the method name as program.input complete. Since both the methods have been displayed under the void, we must enter the number of the rows and columns of the matrix A and B, and after specifying the rows, we must enter the first matrix and we must enter the second matrix. After the values have been declared, then it will display the matrix A, and then it will display the matrix B, and finally we have to do the event instance binding. Then after that, the event is triggered and the following operations are done. So now I'm going to execute this. While executing this, I get to enter the number of rows and columns of matrix A and B as 2 cross 2. Now I'm entering the matrix A as 4, 5, 6, 3, and the second matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I got a message showing input was completed. Now it performs the sum matrix, difference of the matrix. Sum matrix represents the addition, difference represents the subtraction. Matrix multiplication is which performs the multiplication, and transpose matrix. Then thank you.